Keep your guard up. Touch gloves. Move around, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't
have a guard.
If he's aggressive, move around. Don't switch.
He's looking for the opening.
Use your elbow as a counter. Throw your jab, man. Keep him out.
This is quick.
Try and keep him out. Throw more than one jab if you have to. Right. Strike, man. Krish. He's just toying with you. You see him lunging, man. Do something about the lunging.
Hey, I would've cleaned your clock, man. Oh, that's it. That's it.
You better get out of there, Krish. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Move.
Move, nigga. Why are you just standing to get some room? Just wait. Alright.